Anvil's data analysis grid views are powerful spreadsheet-like displays for analyzing your IBM I data. All grid view displays are divided into sections for easy data analysis. The header bar shows information about the data being displayed, as well as navigation to other screens or the home menu. The Options and Filters area allows for selection of options while working with your data, as well as server-side filters. The Grid area is composed of the header bar, which allows for sorting on any column, ascending or descending. And the Detail area shows your data rows. The Information and Search area shows how many rows are being displayed, and a search field for filtering the table data. The footer bar has options for charting the data and a button that allows you to save the data to Excel. All grid views have a quick links menu for rapid access to other functions.